Here's how to shape and form American flag red, white, and blue cookies with white chocolate chips. Take the white cookie dough and cut it into 6 even strips. Take the red cookie dough and do the same thing, cutting it into 6 even strips. Take the blue cookie dough and just cut them into quarters. Now start assembling the white and red part by creating strips of alternating dough. You want to create half circles. So you want it to be red, white, and white, red, white. Once you've done that, go ahead and gently press them together so that the dough adheres to each other. Now do the final assembly by cutting one of those halves into quarters. Take the quarter, attach it to a half, and then take a quarter of the blue dough and attach that as well. Go ahead and lightly adhere them all together so that the dough forms an American flag. Place the assembled cookies on a prepared baking sheet, making sure to stagger them so there's enough space for them to spread out. Then go ahead and bake until they are golden brown around the edges. You can find the full recipe along with tips and tricks on how to make this cookie on my blog, eatthelove.com.